Hello, I'm Dan Domeracki, and I'm a professor of practice and the associate director of the UNC Kenan-Flagler Energy Center. I'd like to talk a bit about climate change and how oil and gas can move from being seen as a climate change problem to being part of the solution. In order to mitigate the effects of climate change, we must reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. However, while there is tremendous effort to shift to renewable energy sources, it is clear that oil and gas will remain our primary source of electricity generation for at least 2 more decades. So what can the oil and gas industry do? Quite simply, it can lead the transition to a global, efficient, mixed-source energy infrastructure. And this transition is already underway. The largest companies in the industry are developing new methods to find, produce, and distribute oil and gas with the lowest carbon footprint possible. The industry is accelerating the development of carbon capture and storage technologies and working with other industries to develop other uses for carbon dioxide. The industry is investing in renewables, bringing decades of experience in global logistics and project management to accelerate the mix of all forms of energy generation. Now, it's fair to say that the oil and gas industry has been slow to address its role in climate change, but as a 40-year veteran in the industry, I also know how it can solve seemingly impossible problems when it puts its resources to it. These changes will require new thinking and new business models, which is why the Energy Center at UNC Kenan-Flagler is preparing the workforce that will make these changes a reality. If you want to be part of the global climate solution, you'll want to work in the energy sector. And if you want to work in the energy sector, your first step is an Energy MBA from UNC Kenan-Flagler.